Hello everyone, welcome back to the InfoStreet channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a service key in SAP Business Technology Platform or SAP BTP. So these service keys in SAP BTP allows application and services to securely connect to various resources in your sub-account. So whether you're working with databases, messaging or APIs, creating a service key is an essential task. For those of you who are new, so this SAP BTP is a cloud-based platform that helps business innovate, integrate and extend their applications. One of its powerful features is enabling different services, and to access those services you often need a service key. Okay, so let's get started. First, you need to log in into your SAP BTP cockpit, and then you need to navigate to your sub account. Okay, so I've already logged in. So once inside the sub account, you need to head over to the instances and subscription section. So here, if you already have an instance of the service for which you want to create a key, you can just simply select that instance. In my case, I don't have any instance, so I need to create a new instance. So for this, click on Create to add a new service instance. So in this example, I am selecting SAP Process Integration Runtime, but the steps are very similar for any service. You need to provide an instance name. Now click on Next. Okay, now click on Create, and in a few moments your service instance will be created. So okay, now we will create a service key. Enter a service key name of your choice. After that, click on Create. So as you can see, our newly created service key is visible. So the service key includes important information like client ID, client secret, URLs, which will be used for connecting to the service. And you can use this key to authenticate applications or services that need access to this instance. And there you have it, a simple yet essential task of creating a service key in SAP BTP. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the InfoStreet channel and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for the future video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.